Bella.
But me carry beef on my ends. Be say yo. King go buy me ring and things. So me I say.
Yeah.
Welcome to Smarty Business. Subscribe right now. Click that bell. Yeah. Also, we are fix things. Wanna go out with my people. Right now, make sure you're ready for the hurricane Beryl, my peeps. By later today, into tomorrow, it now go normal. So make sure say all food them put up one place. Make sure say you don't have no loose zinc and no loose nothing in your yard. You can blow and damage your property and hurt other people. Yeah man, they say they wanna keep yourself safe because that one nah go miss. But for right now, MUIR saga, we see we are X-Man. Yeah, him come out and he might respond to some things where MUIR talk about my people. And really and truly, I don't rate the situation here, and especially knowing say MUIR nah practice where she preach my people. It's very disappointing because she come and she sing say yo some girl I really am a bella, but I feel like she fi just remix the song and say
Me really am a Bella.
just like that my people, because me no see how you sing all these songs and you're frightened for man like that. But me nah go talk too much about it, people. Make we hear a piece away this youth you have to say with regards to the whole situation. And my apologies about the background music. Me don't know who sensible so go put so much music at this track where the man have to say. But I hope my ears them and listen.
Cause me and my link so. My sister give me ends. I'm go so now. And remember, me not carry beef on my ends yet, But because so, me and the bee, I do a thing for my sister ends. Me end up now carry beef on my ends. See? But me carry beef on my ends. Bee say, yo, King go buy me ring and things. So me I say, no problem. You get what I say? No, me I tell no nothing about ball. Me I say to the bee, say, yo, yeah man, no problem man. See? When the bee goes on him buy a ring, even my family them don't know about it. You understand? I swear to God, even my family them don't know about it. See, when me up a show me pray say, yo, SHANEIL buy a ring and something. So he must say, yo, when? So when he propose to you and something. You get what I say? Me go so now, as me go so me camp on the ends, me tell her say, he might pray say, yo, ring. When buy now, him go buy a ring, You understand? Cause me done give my be a ring already, and him a mess around. So watch out now. When he give me a ring, me I say, alright, let me see what can go on, Cause him say him just a come out of his relationship too. When he goes on, me and him start deal. He must say, yo, big man thing, You know what I say? Me not too in the house where you and your bee used to live with the furniture them. See? So me I say, so what go on? Yeah, tell me say you want to get some new furniture and thing. He must say, yeah. See? So, and we make up, for sure, make up our furniture up on an apartment. See? When we go to our furniture up on an apartment, we must say, yo, you may I do this for you, I do this for you, not me, but you. You understand? So me I say, alright man, anything, cause you say a top girl furniture, but if you want to get anything there. See, so me I say, alright, top girl, I say artist and thing of you. You don't know, for true. When we go so now, and we get the furniture, the most store fridge, everything already, expensive things in that place. As me say, we just get a bed set together, and we get dining table and couch set. You get it?
Oh, alright people, may I stop you right there, so cause the music kinda get annoying. But you see say that boy you want to idiot though. Because he must say MUIR when she say your ring and marriage, he must say alright then. Then further down in the live, he must go talk about say him never rate the fact say as she proposed to him. And I don't see how MUIR going like she have so much sense. And basically this show say She not no sense. Yeah, my Bella. Yeah, my people. Now, we are look on some of my comments them. You see somebody right here, so I said, that's why woman no feel lower them standard for love. They disrespect us the most. What do you think about that, my peeps? Alright, we are look on some more comment right here. Now, see somebody I say, and man no feel lower them standards, and they broke girl who think them entitled to man things too. Alright, that person that just a bit petty. Alright, I'm look for a good comment, my people. Alright, so see we are. The girl look out for you and buy your things. Make you know how good place to look. Man is very ungrateful because you come and talk about you buy a ring and blah blah blah. And that are the thing too. As a man, why you go come out and attack all these things? Social media turn them man in a some little oozy ass niggas, you know. For real, man, them man you nowadays, them soft and emotional and thin skin. May I tell you the real man, them nowadays, them just in a the few. It's just a handful. May we look on the comment here. Her side of the story is that she bought a ring that look. Her side of the story is that he bought a ring that looked popcornish and she wasn't gonna wear no popcorn ring for your top girl. So she bought a more suitable one. But boy, me don't know ya man, it's sticky bad cause all when me not like the ring, me nah buy no ring for myself. That's why a boy have to know all these things. Yeah, my people. But really and truly, SHANEIL MUIR, she rushed things. Because there's no way things should have reached right here. So, and it seems like she not even get to know the boy like that. Him never sound intelligent. You know? And from day one, from your post the first picture with this youth. You remember where your fans them there tell you say, him and your match. You remember people when everybody come out and say, Uno no match, him and your match, him no look like the one for you, and she still a defend him and say, yo, I wish she want and all these things. See it then now, couple months later, story come to bomb. The boy was really not a match for her. Really not a match, people, and see it ya. Embarrassing situation. SHANEIL MUIR should have never in a situation like this, but she portray herself as somebody who have sense. And that's why enough of them young girls who cannot follow up these artists because when them are sing about them nah live the life. And me I go left that right there so far right now. But really not feel like I'm ever playing no more other live here, people, because the noise and everything we are going in here, me not like it and me not want to ears them go through no level of discomfort. But I don't kind of get the gist of what I go on, don't? Yeah, man, I don't kind of get the gist of what I go on, man. This no make no sense. No sense, people. I'm just going to left it there so right now. I make you just comment and let me know what you really think, right? A smart business. Subscribe right now. Click that bell. That's how we fix things.